Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, all of you. How are you? How are
Fine, sir.
you? Shikha, good morning. How are you? Shikha is joining after many days.
Morning,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Good morning, all of you. Good morning. Now put yourself on mute mode, all of you. Put yourself on mute mode. Are you sitting with your book, all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Keep your books ready. We have to read.
Yes, sir.
So the chapter which we began yesterday, that is on the face of it. Yes or no? Remember or forgot?
Yes, sir. Remember.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Remember.
Chapter is on the face of it by Suzanne Hill. Who is the writer? Anyone?
Suzanne Hill.
Susan.
Suzanne Hill. Did you know that before I said? Were you aware?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you very much. You are aware. Very good. Very good. So, the name of the chapter is On the Face of It, written by Suzanne Hill. And the word of the day is greenhorn. What is the meaning of greenhorn? Tell me, any one of you, greenhorn. What is greenhorn? Yes, tell me, Prakshal, what is greenhorn? Prakshal, Gracie.
Yes, sir. Sir, one who have no experience.
One who has no experience or one who is new at something, inexperienced. So refer to the word of the day which is sent to you every day in the group. So yesterday we began the chapter on the face of it. We also have discussed about the characters and also the summary of the chapter. So the aim of the chapter which we are reading is to learn about the different perception of the people, different attitude of the people, to know the different attitude and perception of the people and what is its effect on one's life. Before we begin, keywords you can see here on your left keywords. Number one, withdrawn. So first word is withdrawn, and the meaning of the word withdrawn is introvert. Introvert, someone who doesn't mingle, someone who doesn't talk with anyone, he remains to himself. That's the meaning of withdrawn. Next is defiant. Defiant, and the meaning is
Bold.
bold, rebellious, somebody who resists the opposition. Okay. Next one is startled. I was startled when I saw Srinidhi in the class today. I was startled when I saw Shikha joining the class. So startled means shocked or surprised. And the characters which we discussed about yesterday, first one is Derry and second one is Mr. Lamb an old man. I have written the key points on the board for your reference. Those who were absent yesterday, those who were sleeping yesterday, those who were busier than the Prime Minister yesterday, day before yesterday, those who didn't get time for them, I have written the key points on the board. So a quick recap, then we read the chapter. So in the story, we are going to read about Derry or Derek. So Derry is a 14-year-old boy who has got a burnt face. He is suffering from inferiority complex. Remember, a 14-year young boy is suffering from inferiority complex. And one day he happens to meet Mr. Lamb. He climbed the wall of Mr. Lamb's garden, and Mr. Lamb was an old man. He had a tin leg. His one of the leg was blown off in the war. And children used to call him Lammy Lamb. Lammy means Langdu, Langdu Lamb, Mr. Langdu. But he didn't mind it. So here you also read about the two different perception, two different attitude of the person who are suffering, who are disfigured. People are afraid, even I am. So when Derek meet Mr. Lamb, a conversation start taking place between the two, and Derek tells him, I am afraid, people are afraid of me. You are also afraid of me. And even I am afraid when I look myself, when I look my face into the mirror. And he explains to him that my face got acid and it got burnt. So here you would also notice the difference of perception, difference of opinion, difference of attitude. And then the conversation takes place, and Mr. Lamb tries to console the boy. He tries to motivate the boy. He tries to inspire the boy, because the boy was full of negativity. He was a pessimistic boy. He was full of negativity. So Mr. Lamb, he tries to convince him, he tries to encourage him. And he told the story of the Beauty and the Beast. He also told him the story of a man who had locked himself into the room because he was afraid that if he went out, he would die. He was afraid that a car might come and knock him down, something might fall on him, and he could have been met with an accident. He could have been bitten by a snake. So he was afraid of his death, and he locked himself in the room. But when he was sitting in the room, one day a pitcher fell on his head and he died. So all these stories, all these words, conversation is used here to encourage the boy Derek. He encourages him, he tells him that you are a better man. There are people in the world who are blind. There are people in the world who are totally disabled, totally disfigured. But at least only your one side of the face is burnt. Rest, you're complete. Good boy. What are you afraid of? Why are you like this? And finally, he motivates him. He encourages him through his words, through his behavior, through his conversation. And finally, Derek was inspired, and he tells, let me go back to my house because I didn't inform my mother. Let me inform her and I would come back. But he was saying, no, I know you won't come back. I know you won't come back. Mr. Lamb told him, no, you will not. People do like that. So in negativity also, he is trying to bring positivity. He is trying to inspire him. Therefore, he is saying that, I know you will not return. I know you will not come. But Derek, he goes back to his mother. He informs her mother that I am going back to that garden where Mr. Lamb was living. Mother told him not to go. She said, there's a strange man. Nobody knows about him. Where is he from? And people talk different things, strange thing about him. So mother told the son not to go. However, he doesn't listen to the mother and comes back to the garden. And when he enters the main gate of the garden, he hears a third sound of something falling. And when he runs into the garden, he watches that Mr. Lamb had fallen on the ground. He had fallen from the ladder because he was plucking the wild apple, crab apple. So he had fallen, and he reaches to him and he shouts, Lamb, Mr. Lamb, I have come back, I have come back. You see, I have come back, I have done it. I had told you that I would come and I have come back. And finally, he tries to wake him up, but he doesn't wake because he had died. Mr. Lamb had died, but before his death, he had motivated. He had grown the seeds of optimism into the small boy. And he wakes him up, he says, Langdu Lamb, hey Lemmy Lamb, wake up, I have come back. But he doesn't return. So there's the story in short again. Okay, so now you are sitting with the book and we shall read it word to word, line by line. Everybody pay attention. So those who want to read, raise your hand. I can see it. Raise your hand, those who want to read. Raise your hand. I can't see. I can see only Prakshal Daga. Okay. Anybody else who wanna read? Because 2 person I require. One would read the part of Mr. Lamb and second should read the part of Derry. Yes. Who else? No one is ready to read because you are not sitting with your book, it seems. Okay, Aditya Agrawal, very good boy from Asnavar. So let us read, just we begin it. And all of you pay attention. Yes, Prakshal and Aditya, start reading. And before you read, I would read the part of the narrator. Okay. So, chapter 6, On the Face of It by Suzanne Hill. This is a play featuring an old man and a small boy meeting in the farmer's garden. The old man strikes up a friendship with the boy, who is very withdrawn and defiant. What is the bond that unites the two? What is the bond that unites the two person? Scene 1. So what you are going to read in scene 1, let us pay attention. Scene 1. Mr. Lamb's garden. There is the occasional sound of bird song and of tree leaves rustling. Derry's footsteps are heard as he walks slowly and tentatively through the long grass. He pauses, then walks on again. He comes round a screen of bushes so that when Mr. Lamb speaks to him, he is close at hand and Derry is startled. Now you start. Mr. Lamb would be read by Aditya and Derry's part would be read by Prakshal. Read loud and clear. Yes, begin.
Mind the apples.
What? Who's that? Who's there?
Lambs, my name. Mind the apples. Crab apples, those are. Wind falls in the long grass, you could trip.
There. I thought this was an empty place. I didn't know there was anybody here.
That's all right. I'm here. What are you afraid of, boy? That's all right.
I thought it was empty, an empty house.
So it is. Since I'm out here in the garden, it is empty until I go back inside. In the meantime, I'm out here and likely to stop. A day like this, beautiful day, not a day to be indoors.
In panic, I have got to go.
Not on my account. I don't mind who comes into the garden. The gate always open. Only you climb the garden wall.
You were watching me?
I saw you. Both the gates open. All welcome. You're welcome. I sit here. I like sitting.
I had not come to steal anything.
No, no. The young lad steal from the apple. You are not so young.
Okay.
I just
So till here, I hope everybody has understood the conversation is going on between the old man, Mr. Lamb, and a young lad. Sorry, lad, L-A-D, lad. Lad means a young boy. In Hindi, you call it chokra. A young boy, that is lad. So a 14-year lad, the conversation is going between the boy and old man, and they are just getting into the conversation. Now I would read the part of Mr. Lamb, and Prakshal, you continue reading the part of dairy, and then we can change. Those who are interested, I would ask, and you can also read after this paragraph. Yes, your part, Prakshal.
I just wanted to come in into the garden.
So you did. Here we are then.
You don't know who I am.
A boy, 13 or so.
14. But I have got to go now. Goodbye.
Nothing to be afraid of. Just a garden. Just me.
But I'm not afraid. People are afraid of me.
Why should that be?
Everyone is. It doesn't matter who they are, or what they say, or how they look, how they pretend. I know, I can see.
See what?
What they think,
What do they think then?
you think, here's a boy. You look at me, and then you see my face and you think, that's a bad, that's a terrible thing. That's the ugliest thing I ever saw. You think, poor boy, but I'm not poor. Underneath, you are afraid. Anybody would be. I am when I look in the mirror and see it. I am afraid of me.
So here, when we read up to here, you would understand the attitude, the perception, the feelings, the emotion of the boy. The boy is filled with so much negativity, so much of pessimism, pessimistic attitude. He is negative towards the whole universe, the whole world, his own mother, and therefore he is treating everybody with that kind of behavior or attitude. So as I said, our attitude plays an important role. If you are positive, you would make your surrounding positive. If you are negative, you would make your company and your surrounding and your society negative. Now we can change. Yes, who wants to read? You can raise your hand, those who want to read now. Mukul.
I want to read.
Mukul and Gracie. Okay, so Mukul, you read the part of Mr. Lamb, and Gracie read the part of Derry. Read louder and clear. Continue.
Not you, not of you.
Yes.
When it's a bit cooler, I that and a stick and crab apples. Just for it.
Mukul,
I
wait.
like jelly.
Mukul, your voice is not coming properly. It is not clear. It is not audible. I think there is some problem in your mic or something. It's not very clear. Is there any problem? You check and then you. So meanwhile, I am reading Mukul's part, and Gracie, you will read your own part. Okay. Later on, when it's a bit cooler, I will get the ladder and a stick and pull down those crab apples, those wild apples. They are ripe for it. I make jelly. It's a good time of year, September. Look at them, orange and golden. That's magic fruit. I often say, but it's best picked and made into jelly. You could give me a hand. You could give me a hand,
What?
mate. You could come and help me. So Mr. Lamb is telling him that it's a good season, good time, September time. I'm collecting some crab apple. Crab apple means wild apples, and I make jelly. I use them for making jelly. So you can come and give me hand. You can come and help me. Continue, Derry.
What have you changed the subject for? People always do that. Why don't you ask me? Why do you want why you do what they all do and pretend it isn't true and isn't there? I can see you looking and mind and get upset. I'll tell you, don't ask me because you're afraid to.
So the boy thinks that he is trying to change the conversation. He is trying to uh, take the conversation into different direction because he doesn't want to speak. So he's telling, why are you changing the topic? Yes, Mr. Lamb. Srinidhi, you had also raised your hand. Srinidhi, read the part of Mr. Lamb, and Gracie continue part of Derry. Yes, Srinidhi.
You want me to ask, say no then?
I don't like being with people, any people.
I should say to look at it, I should say you got burnt in a fire.
Not in a fire. I got acid all down that side of my face and it burned it all away. I ate my face up. It ate me up. And now it's like this and it won't ever be any different.
No,
Aren't you interested?
you are a boy who came into the garden. Plenty do. I am interested in anybody, anything. There's nothing God made that doesn't interest me. Look over there, over beside the far wall. What can you see?
Rubbish.
Rubbish? Look, boy, look. What do you see?
Just grass and stuff. Weeds.
Some call them weeds. If you like, then a weed garden. There's fruit and there are flowers and trees and herbs, all sorts. But over there, weeds. I grow weeds there. But why is one green growing plant called a weed and another flower? Where's the difference? It's all life growing, same as you and me.
So Mr.
We are
Lamb
not the
is
same.
telling, just 1 minute, Mr. Lamb is telling him that people have got different perception, different attitude. It's the same. Some people are calling that garbage, some people are calling it rubbish, but for others it is plant. So you also need to change your perception, you need to change your thinking. Continue.
I am old, you have young, you have got a burnt face, I have got a tin leg. Not important, you are standing there, I am sitting here. Where's the difference?
Why you have got a tin leg?
Real one got blown off years back. Lemmy lamb, some kids say, haven't you heard them? You will. Lemmy lamb, it fits, doesn't trouble me.
But you can put on trousers and cover it up. And no one sees. They don't have to notice and stare.
Some do, some don't. They get tired of it in the end. There's plenty of other things to stare at.
Like my face?
Like crab apples or the weeds or a spider climbing up a silken ladder or my tall fun sunflowers.
Things?
It's all relative. Beauty and the beast.
What's that supposed to mean?
You tell me?
So
You
the
needn't
conversation
think.
is going on between the two, a young man and old man, and he is trying to influence him. He is trying to change his attitude, his feeling, his thinking through his words. He is giving all kind of example. He is talking. He is all positive, but till you see that Derek is adamant. Derek, the boy, 14-year-old boy, is adamant. He doesn't want to change. Still, that negativity is not gone out of his mind. Still, he is negative. And Derry says, you needn't think they haven't all told me that fairy story before. It's not what you look like, it's what you are inside. So Derry tell, people have told me this so many things, so many times what you are saying. People have told me that this is important, that is important, you are safe and sound, that is your only partial side of face is burned. You look in the world, there are other people who are more worse than you. ओके तो वो गाना सुना होगा शायद तुमने, वो गाना यहाँ पर रिलेट हो सकता है, राजेश खन्ना की मूवी का है, अवतार मूवी का एक गाना है कि दुनिया में कितना गम है, मेरा गम कितना कम है। सुना है वो गाना? पुराना गाना है, सुना है तो आप रिलेट कर सकते हो कि दुनिया में कितना गम है, मेरा गम कितना कम है। लोगों का जब हाल सुना तो मैं अपना गम भूल गया, मैं अपना गम भूल गया। सुना है गाना? यस, डिड यू?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके,
No, sir.
नहीं सुना है, ठीक है। वो राजेश खन्ना के टाइम का है, पुराना जो फर्स्ट सुपरस्टार था उसके टाइम का है, पुराना है, लेकिन यूट्यूब पे तुम्हें मिल जाएगा, यू कैन चेक इट लेटर ऑन। और वहाँ पर मेरे से अच्छी आवाज में तो नहीं मिलेगा, इतना लाइव जो परफॉर्मेंस मेरा था इतना अच्छा हो सकता है नहीं मिले, ठीक है। यस, कंटिन्यू। Continue reading, Derry.
Yes, sir.
Beauty,
You
love.
needn't think they. No, send this paragraph. You needn't think they haven't all told me that fairy story before. It's not what you look like, it's what you are inside. Handsome is handsome.
Finished?
No, sir. Does Beauty love the monstrous beast for himself, and when she kissed him, he changed into a handsome prince. Only he wouldn't. He had have stayed a monstrous beast. I won't change.
So here is the reference to the story of Beauty and the Beast. You can go through the story of Beauty and the Beast. What is the story? You would get it. So he tells that Beauty loved the monstrous beast for himself, and when the Beauty kissed the monstrous beast, she changed him into a handsome prince. So this is the story of a prince who was turned into beast along with his keepers of castles. So he was enchanted by some witches, and he was turned into beast. And later on again, out of beast, until unless he learned generosity, kindness, love others, so then only he was changed. So here he is giving reference to the Beauty and the Beast, and he is saying that you can, but Derry doesn't believe. Derry say even the Beauty might have changed the beast, but I wouldn't be changed. I would remain the same. Continue.
In what ways you won't?
Read quickly.
Yes, sir.
What you are doing, Gracie? You are not reading properly. You are tired. Okay, somebody else
I
instead
know.
of Gracie who wants to read, raise your hand. Instead of Gracie, Chirag, do you have the book?
Yes, sir, I have.
Yes, read.
But I know, sir, but I don't know the page number.
Page number 60.
Okay, sir.
You don't know, that means what you are doing? You are doing some other work. You are
No,
saying
sir, I am just listening.
Okay.
I am just listening. I am not
page number
reading
60.
the book.
Page number 60, and The dialogue is, and no one will kiss me ever, only my mother, and she kisses me on the other side of my face, and I don't like my mother to kiss me. She does it because she has to. Why should I like that? I don't care if nobody ever kisses me. Ah,
Yes, I have got it.
but do you care if
Ah,
you
but do you
never
care
kiss
if
them?
you never kiss them?
So here the man is again trying to tell him positivity, but he's so much negative. He's saying, no, even my mother doesn't love me. She kisses me on the other side of the cheek, which is not burnt. So she is not loving me. She just loves it because it's her duty, because she is my mother, because she has to. So much negativity. Now continue. Yes, Lamb, continue.
Ah, but do you care if you never kiss them?
What?
Daddy. Girls, pretty girls, long hair and large eyes. People you love.
Who do like me? Not one.
Who can tell?
I won't ever look different. When I am as old as you, I look the same. I'll still only have half a face.
So you will. But the world won't. The world's got a whole face and the world's there to be looked at.
Do you think this is the world? This old garden?
When I am here, not the only one, but the world as much as anywhere.
Does your leg hurt you?
Tin doesn't hurt, boy.
When it came off, did it?
Certainly.
And no, now. I mean, where the tin stops at the top.
Now and then, in wet weather, it doesn't signify.
Oh, that's something else that all say. Look at those people who are in pain and brave and never cry and never complain and don't feel sorry for themselves.
I haven't said it.
And think of all those people worse off than you think. You might have been blinded or born dead or have to live in a wheelchair or be daft in your head and dribble.
Okay, so Mr.
And
Lamb is
that's so
again
true.
trying to convince him. He is telling that look at the other people who are there in the society. They are suffering. You might have been born blind. You might have been born deaf and dumb. But you might have been born totally disabled, unable to walk, unable to see, but you have only partial burnt face and you are of so much negativity. So he is trying to give him a message, he is trying to convince him, but the boy Derry is not ready. He is countering him with his own logic, with his own experience. Yes, continue, Mr. Lamb.
सर ये बात तो डेरी बोल रहा है ना कि we should see to those who are in pain and brave and never cry.
So he is telling that people have told me, many people have told me, many people have convinced me as you are convincing. This is correct, Derry is saying, but what Derry is saying that already people have informed me what you are trying to tell me, you are trying to put your positivity into my mind, but I have listened all these things many times. So that's what he is saying. People have told me that I have been born deaf, blind, I have been on wheelchair, but you are better. They have tried their best. Yes, and speak in English. This is English class. So all of you learn to speak in English. And one more thing, this is being recorded and the video would be on YouTube also and school app also. So behave and speak only in English. This is being recorded at the same time. I had sent you one video, yesterday's recorded video today on the group. You can check it. How many of you have seen that? Did you check that video I sent?
Yes, sir.
Yeah? No
Yes,
one?
sir, I've seen. No,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
I've seen.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir, I have also seen.
okay. So therefore I am saying it is recorded. It is recorded for school purpose, and also I put it on my YouTube channel. So therefore you need to speak in English. Yes, we continue. Mr. Lamb.
And that's all true, and you know it.
It won't make my face change. Do you know, one day a woman went by me in the street. I was at a bus stop and she was with another woman. And she looked at me and she said, whispered, only I heard her. She said, look at that. That's terrible thing. That's a face only a mother could love.
So you believe every then?
It was cruel.
Maybe not meant as such, just something said between them.
So again,
Only I
Mr.
heard.
Lamb is saying, do you believe everything you hear? Do you believe what people say? Do you pay attention to what people say? फिर वो गाना याद आ गया मुझे कि कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. सुना है ये गाना? कुछ तो
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
लोग कहेंगे,
Yes, sir.
लोगों का तो
Your song is
काम
also
है
being recorded.
कहना. Yes. Yes. So we have to work, we have to see, we have to do our duty, we have to keep our attitude positive. So he's telling that those two women, they were not perhaps not talking for you. Why are you taking everything for yourself? Continue.
Only I heard it. I heard.
And is that the only thing you ever heard anyone say in your life?
Oh no, I have heard a lot of things.
So now you keep your ears shut.
You are peculiar. You say peculiar things. You ask questions I don't understand.
I like to talk
Peculiar means special,
strange.
strange. You are
Strange.
strange. You are talking strange things. I do not understand what you are talking. So like this.
I like to talk, have company. You don't have to answer questions. You don't have to stop here at all. The gate's open.
Yes, but
So Derry says yes.
I hike.
Wait, just a minute. So he says the gate is open. Mr. Lamb told him that people come here. You don't have to wait. You can leave. You can go. But Derry is saying now what? But. So there is a fill in the blanks. But here means he wants to say that I want to remain. I want to talk to you. I am feeling nice. And now slowly and gradually, direct mindset is changing. He is coming into the right track. He is motivated, encouraged by the words of Mr. Lamb. He feels happy. He feels nice because perhaps nobody has ever talked to him the words which Mr. Lamb is telling him. Therefore, he wants to wait. Continue.
I have a hive of bees behind those trees over there. Some hear bees and they say bees worse. But when you listen to bees for a long while, they and the hum sound sing means sing. I hear them singing my bees.
but I like it here. I came in because I liked it. When I looked over the wall,
If you had seen me, you would not have come in.
no,
No,
I don't have been trespassing.
It would have been trespassing. Trespassing means, what is the meaning of
wrongful
trespass?
entry.
Yes, illegal entry, unlawful entry, entry without permission of that proprietor. Okay, continue, Mr. Lamb.